Hello, my Gulf Success family. Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time I stopped making video, and the reason is that I was really working on myself so that I can come back and deliver a good content for you guys and show you guys how you can make money online using your smartphone. And this business model I want to introduce to you is not affiliate marketing, it's not CPA marketing, it's not Ponzi skills, it's not, this is a real business that you can jump into it and you can start making money within 24 hours or getting your revenues within 24 hours. This is not forex trading, this is not drop shipping, and this is all about launchpad innovation. That is launchpad trading. This company, they are so great. I've been working with them for quite some time now, and you can see, if you are from Nigeria, you can see what the dollar is doing to naira. As of yesterday, as of today, I'm making this video. If I check my online calculator, the naira is 856.96 per dollar. I think you didn't hear me. I said naira is 856.96 per dollar. Yes. So this is a business opportunity that you don't need to sell any product to anybody. You don't need to bring one person to get paid. So if you are serious, you really want to make money in this 2023, let me tell you, it's not late yet. Are you getting me? So what you should do is to just stay to the end of this video so that after showing you words and word or step and step on how to get started on this platform, you'll come back and thank me later. So if today is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, please kindly like, share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are amazing, our returning subscriber, thank you for stopping back, and do not forget to share and give this video a thumbs up. Let me tell you, there are a lot of money on the internet right now. There are a lot of money, and you don't need to have a laptop before you can start making money. With your smartphone, you can turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. Yes. Okay, let's go to the calculator. I said naira is 856.96 dollar. Okay, $96. So when you check here, I've been able to accommodate $81 within few days. I joined this platform, earning on Autopilot, which I'm going to show you everything, how the money comes in every day, and how you too can jump into this platform and start making money for yourself and say goodbye to poverty. All right. Now with let me calculate it with this current earning. You can see within few weeks or few days, I've been able to make 69,000 naira just using my smartphone. And this money come on autopilot with the little money I subscribe with this platform. All right, without wasting time, this platform is called Appusd. Appusd has been on the industry for, have been trading on Launchpad, arbitrage, and drop shipping. And the one that most interests me is about their Launchpad trading. They use artificial intelligence, which is AI, to trade, and you get your money on autopilot, and you can earn average of 0.7 to 1.5% of your subscription, and the minimum subscription is $20. Okay, and the industry has been on since in Netherlands since 2019. They have been trading, and this platform make everything transparent. You can see the live trading going on here. You can see the live trading here. My cursor is live trading going on here, and you can see where they buy the coins, how they sell the coins, how much profit they make, and you can see everything on this place. So transparent. When I scroll down to 20, every day on this platform. On this platform. So let's continue. So when you come to this place, the amazing thing is that you earn 400% of your total investment or your total subscription on this platform. You earn 400%. You can see it here. You earn maximum 4x of your total subscription. Like I said, you can see here is total of $70, and I'm going to earn total of $280 on Autopilot with this platform. So if I click on this overview here, I click on subscribe. If you want to subscribe, this is how you subscribe. You click on subscribe, you enter amount you want to subscribe, which I'm going to drop all the videos, all the tutorial. We have done so many videos about it and explain how you can take advantage of this platform and start making money for yourself right from the comfort of your home. And this is worldwide. This is worldwide, right? This is worldwide. So this is how you subscribe, and the minimum subscription is $20. Okay. So now I want to show you my earning bonuses, which is, you can see earning bonuses, how this money comes in every day on Autopilot without me doing anything, just for me to subscribe, partner with them, and they are doing the job for me. And the amazing thing is that this platform will also train you for to become a professional launchpad trading. They will also train you to become a professional launchpad trading with their expertise. So like I said, this is how the money comes in every day. You can see the dates. Today's date is 21st, and you can see I start earning on this Autopilot. You can see 21st, 21st, 21st. You can see it, and you can see 19, 18. So this is how this money keep coming on Autopilot for me without me doing anything while I'm sleeping. You can see I'm still going on this, and it's still going. So this is at the academy. Our academy is going to start by next month, which is by August. So this is the right time to jump into this platform so that you can be trained how to become a launchpad trader, how to become, if you are interested in the arbitrage, if you are interested in the drop shipping, which I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this platform. So even everything, this PDF, I will also drop the link how to get registered on this platform. I will also drop my WhatsApp link here so that you can chat me to know more, so that I add you to our leadership group where we do one-on-one mentorship on how you can do this business without talking to anybody, without knocking on your neighbor's door. This is what I'm doing without selling anything. Note, you are not selling anything on this platform. So this platform, this is their PDF that explains everything you need to know. So I will also drop the PDF when you come to my WhatsApp. I will also drop this PDF for you if you really want to go into it in details. I will also drop the PDF and the white paper so that you read it and know everything about this platform. So that will be on Friday. So we withdraw every Saturday. So even tomorrow, I will also make short tutorial on how to withdraw your money on this platform. Or if you have already registered, you are finding it difficult, you can also, I will teach you how you can do your Google Face Authenticator and everything you need to know about this platform. Please kindly chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number will be on the description. And also, I will also link a video where we have done the full tutorial about it. I will also link it on this video. So also check the description, and so that you will not miss out on this amazing opportunity. And if you have any more question, or you want me to make any video related to this money making tips or another thing video, then drop it on the comment section. Do not forget to like and share. If you are new on this channel, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. So whenever I post any content about money making tips, who knows, that one may be a life-changing opportunity for you. So don't forget to like and share, and thank you for stopping by. Bye.